Hi everyone, welcome to Vim Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss about how we can download and insert the Revit families which we need from BIM Objects platform. So how we can do that thing? Let's start. Right now, I'm in my plumbing model, and let's suppose let me search. Okay, do we have trench in this one? Okay, we are not having the trench Revit family in this particular one. So let's go like that way. We'll download the Revit family of trench from BIM Objects platform, and then we'll insert in this one, and then we'll proceed further. Okay. So to do that thing, I'll go for my web browser right here, and I can directly search BIM Objects. Okay. I'll click on that one right here. You can see the first website is BIM Objects. I'll click on that one, and this kind of dialog box will be open. If you did not sign up for this particular platform, that's totally free. So you can sign out based on your email ID or like that way. Okay. So now right here, if I'll scroll down, there are a couple of, categories for which I can go. Right. So right now we are searching trench, right? Trench will come under plumbing. So I'll click on plumbing option right here, and this kind of dialog box will be open. There are a lot of Revit families we can search for. Okay, so I need a trench family, right? I can directly search right here, trench. Let me search. Yes, you can see right here, trench drain. A lot of families are right here for trench. Okay, so let me see which fits for me, and I'll go for this one, landscape trench drain. Okay, I'll click on download option right here, or if you want to see that one in 3D as well, you can see that one in 3D. Let's go back and I'll show you. So right here in this one, okay, this 3D view for this one is not available, but for this one you can see right here the 3D icon is available. So if I'll click on that one, it'll show me that particular Revit family's 3D preview. Okay, so it's loading right here. Let's wait for a couple of seconds, and then we'll see if this particular family will fit for us or not. Okay. It's taking a little bit time. Okay, but let's skip this part because I guess you know from where we can search this one. So I'm just clicking on cross icon right here, and I can download whatsoever I want. Okay, so let me download this one, and right here you can see a lot of softwares are right here. So I'll go for Revit at the first place, and I'll dialog the catalog of this one, like how many types we are having for this one and the Revit family as well, right? So I'll click on download all, and it'll be downloading. So it'll take a couple of seconds. Now if I'll go right here, I can simply click on this which family I have downloaded. I'm not sure because I have downloaded previous one as well. Let me see. Okay, that's the previous one. So let me click on this one and extract all. Click on extract. Yeah, it's right here. So let me minimize all of them because I do not need them anymore. And I'll go inside this one and I'll drag this family inside my project. So it was in Revit 2021, and my Revit version was Revit 2025. So it is upgrading the Revit family. Once it is done, we'll start modeling based on that one only. Okay. So let's wait a couple of seconds. Yeah, it is done. Now, if you can see right here, I can place this one, but it's not visible right here. So what I can do is that let me skip this one as of now. I can search right here in my project browser by trench, and it's right here. Let me go for this one. I'll drop. Now it is not visible, so let me place somewhere right here. Okay, press skip command, right click. Okay, but it's not visible. What you can do is that select this element, go right here in 3D and check where it is. So if you'll see right here, it is placed right here. Okay, now I can move it, and as well in the floor plan, I can change my view range a little bit. So let me go for my view range right here. Let me go down a little bit. Let's go -2 feet. Okay, so that I can see my trench. Okay, yeah, right here you can see my trench is visible. I'm pressing the space bar so that it'll be, horizontal. Now I can let me go for right here. I want to place this one, for example, right here. Okay, and definitely I can start modeling based on this one. So that is how we can, go for that BIM objects platform, and I can download. So if I'll go in BIM objects again, you can see, let me close this one. And for example, you are HVAC guy, right? So click on HVAC option right here. If you want to go for air conditioning, duct collection, whatsoever, you can select them. Click on apply and I'll show you. Let me skip the trench from right here. So for example, you were searching for air conditioning only. So let me remove all of them as well so that you can see the air conditioning only. So you can see all the air conditioning units right here. So whatsoever you want to download, you can download from right here. Okay. I hope you understand how we can use BIM Objects platform. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.